Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone, Offroad's chase rack and molly panel for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Each side panel is side-specific and can be identified by a Piranha logo pointing towards the front of the vehicle. Begin applying the adhesive foam to the panel and panel brackets for both side panels. If you wish to paint the accent grates and plates, you may remove them with a 3mm Allen to do so. Step 2. Set the cross rail down so that our logo is readable. Using 4 M8 bolts, 8 flat washers, lock washers, hex nuts, and a 5mm Allen and 13mm wrench, loosely connect the cross rail to the tops of the side panels. If you didn't purchase the molly panel, you will need to continue to loosely secure the top with 2 M6 bolts, flat washers, and nylock nuts, with a 4mm Allen and 10mm wrench. If you purchase the molly panel, begin assembling it by placing the 2 halves inside the rack wall as shown. Follow the perimeter and loosely secure every bolt point with M6 bolts, washers, and flange nuts, including the middle joined plates. Step 3. With the help of a friend, lift the rack onto the bed of the vehicle, while ensuring it's flush with the bed wall. Ensure the rack fits flush against all bed walls, and begin tightening down all bolt locations of the cross rail and molly panel. Step 4. Begin securing the rack to the bed. Put 2 of the M12 carriage bolts through the bracket as shown, and rotate it into the side panel bracket and up into the trail rail. With 2 flat washers, lock washers, and hex nuts, tighten the 2 brackets down onto the trail rail, ensuring it pinches the plastic with a 19mm socket and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Chase Rack.